So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video and in this video we are gonna exploit the source machine inside the try hack me section. So I have already completed this machine some days ago, but I forgot to make a video on that. So I'm gonna make it now, and here are the flags. So if you are just here for the flag, so you can see it here. And now we are gonna exploit this video. So if you wanna see how to exploit this, you can watch the further video. And so let's start deploy it. So it is deployed and I've already connected with my OpenVPN, and here are IP address. So let's scan it first. uh, okay, so here are the IP address. Here is the IP address, and we are gonna scan the first 1000 ports. So okay, and let me tell you one thing, that this machine is 90% similar to attacker KB. So if you didn't complete that machine, then you can watch it, but if you completed attacker KB machine, then there is no need to see that, watch that video, this video. This is 99% similar actually to the attacker KB. So okay, there are map scanning, and till then let's see. And I forgot how to exploit that machine. So I'm gonna go from beginning. So I'm gonna see if there is any web page available for that. And the nmap is scanning still, so I'm gonna pause the video till the nmap scan completes, and we'll get back soon. So here, when we scanned the top 1000 ports, then we got nothing. So I scanned the next 9000 ports so that I can save your time. So I didn't resume the video at that time. So I scanned the next 9000 ports, and we got a service started at 10,000 port, which is a webmin service, same as we found in the attacker KB machine. So let's try it. Sorry, let's try that IP address with the 10,000 port number, and let's see what we can get. And here we get an error, same as we got in the same as we got in the attacker KB machine. And changes to HTTPS will give you the risk, and accept the risk, and let's wait for that. And here we have the login to webmin. Okay, so now so next what we have to do is search for attackerkb.com. I'm sorry for the wrong spelling here. Is .com, and waiting for opening the website. Okay, so I think it's not open yet. And okay, so here we are, and let's see what version it is. And okay, no version is given. Let's search for webmin, and when we do the search of webmin, it will give us the possible exploits available for the webmin service here. And we have the possible exploit which have the very high severity. So let's check this out. And here in this we have an metasploit added an exploit module. So let's see what's in this. So as this is the metasploit exploit, we can get it in using MSF console in our terminal, which will open the metasploit terminal for us. And let's wait for the metasploit to be open. And okay, so I'll pause the video till the metasploit is starting so that we can make the video. Okay, so our metasploit is started. So next what we have to do is search for the webmin services, and here we have these numbers of services, and let's see what. So here the webmin password change.cgi command injection is a vulnerability we are looking for, and you can see here webmin password change.cgi backdoor. Okay, so this vulnerability is same. So let's copy this command and use this command. So here, and let's see the options. And as you can see that in the SSL, when we are using HTTP, it gives an error, so we need to convert it to the HTTPS So for that we have to convert SSL into a truth. So let me set a command as set SSL to true. And okay, so next we have to set the R host. So for that, let command type the command, sorry, it's set R host to, let's close all the tabs and copy the IP address. So set R host this and set L host. For that we need to know my IP address. I will type the command sudo ifconfig, the password, and here my virtual IP address. Let's copy this, paste it here, and press enter. And now let's see options, and I don't think there's anything else we need to set. So let's run it, and when it will get run, it possibly get us a backdoor. And here we got it, the session shall open. Let's type the command ls and let's see what's inside the home directory. It's dark, move into the dark and see what's inside a dark, and inside dark we have the user.txt. So let's read this. Cat home dark and user.txt, and here we have our first flag, which is TM supply chain compromise, and you can see, you can check that our first flag is this. And for the next flag we have the next flag, maybe in the root section. Sorry, we need to type the command ls root, and we have the root here, cat root to root.txt, and we have the second flag here. So this is the root flag printed here, and our machine is completed now. So thank you for watching the video. See you soon in the next video, and till then, bye bye.